today I will tell you how to make a slime with the nail polishes. First, you need to pour some olive oil, which I have already done over here. You can see this, it's an olive oil. Now, simply just empty these nail polishes. It's a very easy nail polish slime. I think this much is enough. I poured this much. The nail polish will float on the olive oil. You can see I prefer you to use a glitter nail polish. It will look nice too. And as you can see that here, all the nail polish is floating. The nail polish is floating now. We need to mix them well. And make sure that when you pour that olive oil, the olive oil should be more than the nail polish. Or in other words, the nail polish should be less than the olive oil. Okay, so I think our nail polish is done. Our slime is made. You can put this nail polish in bigger quantity, but it's my second time I'm using it, so I'm using a less quantity to show you. So this is the slime made. You can see that it's over here. I use a small quantity. It's a very nice slime. I learned it from my aunt. Her name is Anita. She loves to make slimes, and her small cute slime. And you need to make sure that your nail polish should not be old. It should be medium or new. If it will be old, then your slime will be hard. You can even paint it more if you want. Or is a wish. I'm painting it more. This happens because this nail polish is floating all over this, and you can take the rest of the nail polish also out. See this? So our slime is made in just 5 minutes. 5 minutes we have made this whole slime. So I also recommend you to use the slime. Then wait for the next video, and we will be right back. Till then, enjoy your slime. Bye bye.